Bro, this is bad. The elevator stopped.
Relax, man. It's just a small problem. We'll be out soon.
Small problem. We are trapped. We might be here for hours. What if we run out of oxygen?
Jack, we are not in space. There's plenty of air.
Oh yeah. But what if we starve? I haven't eaten for 20 minutes.
Dude, I saw you eat a double cheeseburger 5 minutes ago.
That was my appetizer. What if we have to live here forever? We need a survival plan.
Okay, genius. What's the plan?
First, we divide the space. Your side, my side. Second, we collect food. Do you have snakes?
No, but I have chewing gum.
Perfect. We'll eat half now and save half for later.
Jack, maybe we should just press the emergency button.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Good idea. We are free. That was the scariest 3 minutes of my life.
It was 30 seconds, bro.
Still, I almost died. Let's go eat. I need to celebrate my survival. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.